Get the latest on what's going on this earnings season, meets, beats, and more in Zach's Earnings Scorecard.
Eric Dutram is editor of Zach's Surprise Trader. He is here with me to see what the score is on some energy companies, right?
Yeah, definitely we've seen very rocky trading for this space. Very sluggish earlier in the year. Don't need to tell anyone about that.
But
But
oil's been up and down.
oh yeah, and then prices have come back a little bit, but dicier trading lately.
Yeah.
Some concern of oil falling below this $40 a barrel level. So kind of back and forth. Earnings season should set a nice trend here, and we should get some good guidance from a couple of these big names reporting this week.
Okay, is Apache one of them?
Apache's definitely one of them. This company is a Zach's rank number 2, so it's a buy right now. It does have a D for its VGM score, which is fundamental outlook. If we look to the chart here, though, we can see that the company does have a proven track record when it comes to beating earnings estimates. Granted, this hasn't really helped the company too much in terms of its share price performance over the last year and a half, but we have seen a nice trend here back higher from this $35 level back up to like 51, 55 area. So that's definitely a good sign. And then we can see that the earnings estimates have actually moved higher for both the 2016 and 2017 full year. So those are both pretty good trends for this company. It doesn't have a earnings ESP right now. It does have a 0 score there. So we would have liked to see a positive number there before really jumping in here. But a 2 Zach's rank does help, and it does seem to be on the upswing going into its report.
All right, what's next?
We have Chesapeake up next. This is more of a natural gas play. This company has also, really been beaten down, and actually more so than a lot of the oil guys, you could argue. Shares have struggled to come back a bit, but they were really depressed here in the start of 2016. This company got down to about $2 a share, and if we look at this chart, it's at this $4 to $6 range right now. As we can see, earnings estimates really tracked this move lower here over the last 18 months to 2 years. But if we look to this 2016 and 2017 consensus estimate, we can see a nice move higher for both these figures. So that's definitely encouraging for the company, but it's going to be really hard to operate for this name in this really oversaturated market. So it's going to be a little dicey here for Chesapeake for sure. It does have a Zach's rank 3 and a D VGM score, but once again, a 0 for its earnings ESP.
We should be seeing some winter forecasts from these natural gas companies, if not already coming out soon.
Yeah, I think that's definitely going to weigh on these guys. And then also, if we see a big hurricane season, that could actually take some supply off, depending on where any actual hurricanes go, or if we continue to go on this nice streak of no hurricanes in the Gulf.
Yeah. All right, then finally, Occidental Petroleum, right?
Yes. Once again, similar story here for Occidental. We've seen a really depressed share price over the last 2 years or so, and kind of a nice move back over the last 12 weeks or give or take. This company does have a Zach's rank 3. It does have an F for its VGM score. And if we look to the chart, we can see that earnings estimates have been a little choppier for this company as of late. They've kind of tracked down over the last 6 to 12 weeks here, but we do see a nice move slightly higher. I don't know if you guys can see that on your screens, but we do have a positive earnings ESP of about 5%. So analysts are really starting to embrace this company heading into the report. That could make it a very interesting play, but with that F of VGM score, the fundamentals don't look quite as strong.
Okay, maybe they avoid a slick spot.
Yes.
Own either of them?
I do not.
All right. More stock information, as always, on our website, Zacks.com. Stock picks, stock picking strategies, other earnings data as well. Get on over and check it all out. It's there all the time. Link to it all off the homepage. With Eric, I'm Terry Ruffalo.